Welcome to the Compubyte Innovative Boss software. This is a series of quick tutorials. What you'll be learning now is how to do an account sell. When you click on the Compubyte Boss icon, you put in your operator number and you put in your password. Once you're in the screen, the main menu screen, you choose account sales. A list of all the accounts that you have will be listed. If it's a new account, you click on new account, you put the person's name, just the guy's name is Joe, you put all his details. You want to put his fax number, you can put his fax at 011-462-1833. If you want to put his email address, ceo@compubyte.co.za, and you update it. Now you've updated the account and the account number is 7. You now put in the items that you sold, you scan the items that you sold, or you put in the code. You say it's 2 minus 1 and it's a size extra large. Immediately it shows you it's 87.50, whatever the discount is. You can put it in and you can continue invoicing. Another interesting thing that you can basically do with the Compubyte software is if you feel that you just want to scan an item without pressing enter, you can click on this icon here and change it to fast. Now look what happens. If I put in there 2 minus 1 slash and it's a small, immediately it accepts the price of 87.50. Or if I put 3 minus 1 size 6, it accepts the price of 7.99. Now these are the 3 items that you have invoiced. You want to end the document, you press the end button. Number of copies, you can print a number of copies out. You'll notice now you don't get the whether it was paid by cash or check because it's an invoice, it's an account. Now you press enter and it immediately also sends out an email. I'm not going to send the email now, so I'm just going to end that particular document.